Today's automotive manufacturers are juggling more models, tighter tolerance with zero room for error. A wrong fastener or a weld that looks fine on the surface but isn't. These defects escape the line and they end up in the field. When they reach the customer, the result is warranty claims, safety recalls, and serious brand damage. Traditional vision system handles simple checks, but automotive assemblies are far more complex than a simple pass or fail presence check. Curved, oily, or reflective surfaces create inconsistent readings and unreliable inspection results. And every time you retool for a new model, the vision system needs to be reconfigured. The OMRON Vision system, which is the FH-AI, is built for this complexity. It detects hard-to-see defects the traditional system misses. It shortens the AI learning time so that you are up and running faster with no complex integration required. In a single pass, it verifies part presence, checks assembly completeness, reads part markings, and detects surface flaws. When you retool for a new model, retraining is fast, no vision expertise required from your team. Consistent inspection accuracy across every model, every shift, regardless of surface or lighting conditions. Every vehicle that leaves your plant meets your quality standard, protecting your brand and your customers.